So on page 345, it talks about an exponential function, which is y equals some number to the power of x. So x has to be in the exponent. And beside each of these, I'm just going to pretend a number and label some stuff. So this could have been 2 to the x. If it was 2 to the x, well, for sure you would have the point 0, 1, but then you would also have the point 1, 2. And I'll get you to add the asymptote of y equals 0 onto both. They just did a general equation. In the general equation, you'd still have 0, 1, and you would have 1, whatever a is, if it was a to the x. Now they're saying if a was between 0 and 1, let's say my example that I picked is 1/3 to the x, then I would still have the point 0, 1, but now I would have the point 1, 1/3. Whatever your base is, when you plug in 1, makes sense that if x is 1 as the exponent, you're going to get whatever your base is. But this can help you figure out if they're increasing, because this one, when I plug in 1, the number is bigger, or decreasing, because this time I plug in the number 1, and the number is smaller than it was before. So these are just two basic graphs. I have two more listed here. If you wanted to graph two more examples. If you put in a 3, again, you can just do a table of values to figure out points. But most exponential graphs are increasing, because most of the time we deal with a number bigger than 1. Sometimes we deal with a number between 0 and 1, then they're going to be decreasing. So with that, we're ready for example 1. And it says graph 1/3 x. So we'll do that on the side here. Every single exponential graph that we do, you will always plot what happens when you plug in 0, which gives you 0, 1. You'll also plug in 1. In this case, you get 1/3 because the base is 1/3. You'll label the asymptote at y equals 0. And draw the shape of your graph. So every time you can answer these questions, what happens to y when x increases by 1? Every time you increase your x by 1, for example, if I plugged in 2, my y value gets multiplied by 1/3. In our example here, it is decreasing. The y-intercept is at 0, 1, and there are no x-intercepts. The asymptote is y equals 0. Domain of exponential functions is always everything. And the range goes from your asymptote, y is bigger than 0. So you can circle questions 3, 5, 7.